Hey, welcome back to another episode of your review channel, and yes, we're doing something with drones today. First time doing drones myself. I'm not a big drone person. I'm fairly new at it, and I'd like to get more involved in it. So here's a drone from Ascend. It's an ASC 2400 HD video drone. Let's take a quick look at it here. Do an unboxing, and we're going to do a test drive and just take it out for a little spin and see what it's like. So this I got at Costco. Ages 14 plus is the recommended use. So it does have altitude hold, 6-axis gyro chip, it says, which is kind of cool. 2.4 gigahertz as a remote, onboard camera, onboard video, 400-foot range. Four AAA batteries are included. It does have an HD camera. 720p is the video quality. I'm not sure the frame rate. We have to check into that. Compact size design, and also you can record on your phone, which is really kind of cool. So here it is right here, guys. Under $50. Again, I'm a new person doing the drones, something different for me, so I wanted to just do an unboxing and just show you. Here's the side of the box. Okay guys, before we go and do the unboxing, take a quick look at the back. Again, the ASC 2400 HD video drone streams video, still images directly to mobile devices, push button start, hover and auto land technology, which is kind of cool for beginners. Built in, like I said, 6-axis gyros, altitude sensors, incredible stable flight, which is kind of cool. High efficiency li-poly battery. I get this lithium, I suppose. Extended drone flight time, go anywhere, folding design, and kind of cool stuff. All right, 2021. This is a new drone. Again, I don't see any videos on this at all on the internet, so this is one I want to do. And I did get this at Costco. It is under $50, and it's great for beginners. Let's go. Okay guys, so a couple things to go over real quick before you do your unboxing. You open up the product, you do your own unboxing. A couple things you need to know. First thing you need to know is that when you unbox this, there are 3 little screws on the bottom of this plastic that keeps the drone in here, like this here. And just so you know, there's 3 little screws that have to pick up this plastic and underneath unscrew that, okay? So don't just rip it all apart and destroy it, because you could break the drone just pulling it out. There is 3 screws here that does mount it underneath the plastic, and that's how the drone is actually attached to the plastic, and that's how they ship it, so it stays stable. So these have to come off, so just be careful when you're pulling it. It just doesn't snap out. It does not. There is 3 screws, so that's very, really important. And also it does come with the batteries, as you see here. They come with 4 AAA batteries. I'd imagine 2 here and 2 here. You do need a Phillips screwdriver to take these off and open these up and get those in there. Also comes with some additional blades in the packaging, so you can see. It also comes with a battery that's in the plastic here. And it looks like to me you have to charge it yourself. Put one of your own devices. Does not come with the actual charger itself. You have to charge it with one of your, I guess, Apple devices, a USB or a computer or whatever. I'll take a look at the instructions. I'll read a little bit and just go over it. It has nice instructions here, layout, QR codes to go over. So a lot of people don't read the instructions, and I'll just quickly scan it and just see what the charging time is, things like that. So I have to let the battery charge up. Give it a few minutes to get myself familiar with this. Control feels, it is plasticky. It's got speed, it's got stunt, it's got a power button, it's got an up and a down, so basically takeoff and landing. It has a few controls over here. You got the left and right joysticks, like that there. It's got the clip that goes on here for your phone. The clips in the bag as well as the battery and the USB cable to charge the battery. So that's what's in the box. That's what's in the kit. Again, extra blades. Some drones have the propeller guards on the side here. This one does not have the option, looks like to me, to add that. I don't see it. So you have to be careful when you fly this. Make sure you fly it outdoors. You don't want to do indoors. You could damage your house, your lamps, your kids, whatever. So just be careful. These things are fairly good, but they're also can be kind of dangerous, so just be careful. All right, so let's take a quick look at this. So let's get this out of the way. So I just wanted to just tell you about that. So that's something that you need to know about, because you don't want to destroy your packaging. You just want to keep everything kind of neat and clean. So let's take a look at the actual drone itself before we get into anything else. And if you want to save your little screws, you can. For that, just put that to the side. All right, so let's take a look here. So it is a folding design, which is nice. That screw out of there. So you do the back first, and then the fronts go behind it, just so you can see that. And it does fold up to a really nice, super small. Look at that. That is pretty small. I mean, that's really compact. Get some extra light in here for you so you can see. You can see this is really, really, really compact. I mean, almost the size of my hand. So you can travel anywhere with this. You know, if you want to go on vacation, go out with the kids. It takes up no space whatsoever. Here's a little antenna here. You probably can't see it, but right inside the battery goes back here. There are lights in the back and also lights in the front. So basically what that tells you, you're going forward, the back is lit. We'll do this after. Just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification button, and we're going to do a full test, take this outside and run it through its paces. Now we're going to check out the camera. Like I said, this camera goes up and down, as you can see here. You can move that up and down, so you can get different pivot points. You can go horizon or straight down, so you can get that kind of play with that and see what that's like. Also, it has the back, like I said, so the backlight's red and the fronts are white, so you know when it's coming and where it's going, so you can get an idea when it's in the air. Because up in the sky, it probably looks like one big blob, I'm not sure. And also has lights in the bottom as well, probably for landing and takeoff, so you know when that's happening. So it has all the lights, has all the synchronization all built into the system. I'm going to look over the instructions. Again, nice and light. Everything's, again, all plastic. This is an introductory drone under $50. I mean, that's pretty cool. Okay. All right, guys, one more quick thing before I go ahead and finish charging. It does come with a little battery here, like I said here. So here is the small lithium-ion battery. Just so you know, it is 3.8 volts, 1900 milliamp. Just so you know, that's the size of the battery. And to charge the battery, it has to be taken out of the drone. So you can't charge it in the drone, you have to take it outside the drone here. A little tiny slot here for you to see if you know that, because a lot of times I couldn't find it for a few minutes. I look at the manual and just say, this plugs into the battery itself. You take the battery out, you charge it up. You'll probably go order a few extra batteries of these online. I'll leave links down below. Hopefully you'll pick up this type of drone. And this is the clip, like I said, that goes on to the actual drone itself. You put your camera right there. I mean your phone. You can actually phone up there. Hopefully it'll fit my iPhone Max Plus. I'm not sure if it will. It's just one size. It is not adjustable, so whatever fits, and that's just pretty much how that works. So hopefully that'll work. All right, so I'm gonna get this charged up, and let's see what happens.